Blended families and estate planning. What is it you need to know? I'm Valerie 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you're interested in estate planning or administration here in New York and New Jersey, you can reach out to us for a free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. And speaking of value, we are here to educate everyone for free. So please ask your questions and share so together we can help some folks along the way. So it has been said, or a little research says, that over 40% of families in America are blended families. That's pretty wild. That means there's at least one parent with a child from a prior relationship. It's not that wild given the divorce rates, and it kind of makes sense. We all seek that partner, and then we bring kids together. So this happens. We're now at 40%. This also has had, though, an increase in recent years of what we call estate litigation. And as I've said multiple times before, there are some firms who do estate planning, such as ourselves, who do not do estate litigation. But estate litigation is where the family ends up in court because there's varying parties arguing about different things. With a blended family, the potential of that does increase because without a clear, crystal clear plan designating who's in charge, how the assets are distributed at every single stage, okay? Remember, an estate plan is not just, hey, I pass and this is what happens. There's usually various what ifs because we don't know what the future holds. And that's something I think people forget. There's a potential that the people you've named aren't around. There's a potential that you're no longer married. There's a potential that you're widowed at the time. There's a potential that someone has government benefits they're receiving, right? All of these things are what ifs that need to be protected under your plan. And there's a multitude of them. It gets exponentially more complicated if you're in a blended family because you have children of separate relationships. And the interests, especially when assets start to become a little intertwined but come from different sources, it just can create more conflict and contention at that later stage. So those who are in a blended family and leading those families, be sure to address your estate plan, make it crystal clear what your wishes are, speak to the family members about it so there's no confusion, everybody's on board and understands what you want, and therefore we can avoid the estate litigation, the extra time, expense, and headache of the court process, and the emotional turmoil that could also bring about. Again, I'm Valerie 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, estate planning and probate administration here in New York and New Jersey. If you need some assistance and would like a free consultation, you can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com. We hope you've learned something new here today. Please don't forget, share, and take care.